Hi, I'm Michael Freeman from Cardinal Home Center in Crozet. Choosing the right flooring for your home can be overwhelming with so many options to choose from. But that's where Cardinal Home Center comes in. We will help guide you through every step of the way to make sure you get the perfect flooring for your home. Luxury vinyl tile has become a very popular option in recent years due to its flexibility in style, affordability, and its ease of installation. It comes in a wide variety of styles that are both wood and stone, and with our wide variety of vendors, we are sure to have the look that you're looking for. Now, normally, you would not be able to put hardwood flooring in spaces such as a kitchen or bathroom where it can get wet. But waterproof wood flooring has a stone polymer core which makes it waterproof in these situations. But unlike LVTs, it has a wood veneer on top that allows it to have the traditional look and feel of real hardwood. If you are looking for the most in durability and waterproofing for your kitchen or bathroom, then tile is the way to go. We offer ceramic and porcelain options in a variety of styles and sizes to fit your needs. We also have access to outdoor tiles to beautify your outdoor living space as well. At Cardinal Home Center, we take the guesswork out of finding the perfect floor. With access to a wide range of styles and materials, we can source exactly what you need to bring your vision to life. Stop by or give us a call and let us help you create the space you'll love.